Hi guys, so today we're going to try a transparent almost skin like makeup look. The foundation that we'll be using today will be having absolutely no coverage, so that is why I'm telling it will look almost like skin. It will not look like skin. It can never look like skin. Makeup can never look like skin. So it will look like almost skin. Now I will be using extremely affordable and also little products to do this makeup look. So let's get started. The first step is to cover all the dark circles and also the pigmentation, especially those problem areas that give you a lot of fear while going out in the open. So let us cover that. And for that I'm using this Inside concealer palette. I'm going to take this color and conceal my under eyes. So it is better to use your fingers while doing this to give you more coverage. Oh, by the way, I already primed my skin. I really forgot to tell that part. So I'm using the concealer over my lid too. Now for my primer I used aloe vera gel. I haven't used any other primers. I just used simple aloe vera gel. You can use any primer that you have. It is not necessary to use aloe vera gel itself. You can just use a moisturizer also. That is also fine. So my problematic areas are my cheeks and my under eye. So I have concealed those. Now I'm going to set it with the powder. And for the powder I'm using the ITEX Dazzler Compact Powder. I'm going to take in a powder puff, blow out the excess. You can also just tap it so that if there is an excess powder, it will also come out. Gently apply. Now I am going to use this Inside lipstick. I am going to use it on my eyelid and also on my cheeks. So you can see it is this beautiful pink color. So first I am going to use on my cheeks. I want the color to come from inside. So that is why I am first applying on my cheeks and then I am going with the foundation. So I'll just dot it out here. And using my fingertips, I will just blend it out. Since I want a little more color, I will redot it. And I will blend it out again. So now I've got the desired color. So you can see this color. It's a beautiful color. Just make sure that you blend out the edges. Then using a brush, I'm going to take the color on the brush, slightly apply over my eyelid. You don't need a brush to do this. You can also use your finger if you want. So for the foundation, I'm using the Stay Quirky liquid foundation. This foundation has absolutely no coverage, and the pump also, it does not work a lot. So I've taken a small amount and I will be applying it. So I'm using my fingers to blend it. You can use a sponge. Now when you're using a sponge, make sure you use it dry, because when it is wet it will just absorb all the foundation. You can use a brush instead if you want, that is better, or you can just use your fingers, it will work. So I am blending part by part. Now if you have a foundation brush, you can just apply all over your face and then blend it out. If you are blending it with your fingers, it is better to blend part by part. I mean, it is how you want to do, you can do it. Even though you apply this foundation like 2 to 3 times, it does not give you the full coverage or even medium coverage. It is still low coverage or almost no coverage. I don't know, some people say that it will give you more coverage, but it doesn't, you know. I've tried it, I've tried like so many times, but still I don't get the coverage. So for contouring, I'm using the Stay Quirky mini contour stick. Since it is almost finished, I'll be using a brush to take it. Now even though you don't contour also, it's okay, because this foundation, like I said, it is low coverage, so you can still see those shadows. So I'm just blending it out with my fingers. So to draw my eyeliner, I'm using the Inside Dramatic Waterproof Eyeliner. So then I use an eyelash curler and I curl my eyes. Sorry, my lashes. Then I use the inside mascara, coat my lashes with it. Using the same mascara, I do my brows. You can just brush it, you know. Now for the lips, you have to first apply a lip balm, and then I'm using the same inside lipstick. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same Itex compact powder, apply some powder, dab it, blow out the excess, and just set the whole thing, you know. Then I'm going to set my face using a setting spray. I have to let it dry. So this is the completed look and I hope you like it. This makeup feels very light on my skin. It does not feel very heavy. It does not feel like I have put makeup. You can literally see my pores and everything, but it does not feel fake, you know. It's almost like a no makeup look. Hope you liked it. See ya!